There are a couple other options that you can use inside defining user menus, and let me show you just the couple that I know about right away and get them out of the way. Let's say we go to this user menu. Let's remove some of the stuff that we know isn't going to work. That one's not going to work. This quality control and that's not going to work. Okay, the word perfect one will work, and that one seemed to work. Okay, so this we know our customer one will work. The first thing I want to show you is that you can, aside from going to other applications like WordPerfect or script files, you can run another user menu. Let's run, here, let's do V, and let's run Vicky's menu. Okay, and we'll put, to do that, we'll just run exclaim Victoria. Okay, say run Victoria's menu, just as a description. Okay, let's run this. So we'll switch G and we'll run the user menu for this. Okay, here's our menu, and as I move down to the run Vicky's menu section, you see it pops up to the long description at the bottom, centered on the bottom. It goes away when I move off there. Okay, if I pick Vicky's menu, here's what it does. It just puts me right on Vicky's menu immediately. I can run around and now do anything on this menu. When I press X, I'm back to the original menu. It's how you call one menu from another menu. Use the exclamation point. There's another choice that another function you can use inside FilePro menus, and that is you can prompt the user to press enter, prompt the user for an acknowledgement that something happened. Let's say you want to run a report and it's a very long report, and the report may finish or not. He doesn't know if he picked it on his menu. He doesn't have to pick it all over again. He might have gone away for a minute and not known whether the program ran or not. Let's do this with WordPerfect, for instance. If we go into this, and to go for acknowledgement, we use an @ sign. Just like you do in the show statements where you say show @ something, it puts up a press enter to continue. That's pretty much what's going to happen here. Let's say I run this user menu and I pick the thing called WordPerfect. It takes me into WordPerfect, everything's fine, but when I leave the program, it does this prompting. It says press enter to continue. I press enter to continue and I'm back on the main menu. Okay, because I've lost all my colors because that's something that happens with WordPerfect. There's one more operator, and we'll just do it quickly, and that is the # operator. What the # operator does is, if you have two menus, let's say you see we have on Victoria's menu, we're calling the Victoria menu here. So let's go to that menu for a second. We'll go to 6. We'll go define the Victoria menu. And on Victoria's menu, we'll do this thing called production, which takes her. No, we won't do that. We'll do this one. This is the usage file. Okay, we're going to put this # here on her menu. What the # does is say, let the person run that. G, we'll run the VG menu, and let the person run this choice, but take me back to the previous menu when I'm done. So I'm going to pick the Vicky menu. And now I'm going to go down and pick the usage menu. Okay, it'll take me into the usage file. I do all the stuff I want to do in the usage file. I leave the usage file. Now I'm back at my menu. I did not go back to Victoria's menu. I went back to the menu previous. That's what the # does. So those are the three options: the @ sign, the #, and the exclaim. And they do the various things that can be done on FilePro menu command lines.